classwork today?
Classwork, I'll let you start your homework.
Man, I'm trying to get a lot of it done.
No matter what I do, people complain. Whatever, let's get started. Let's get started. This really ain't the worst thing in the
I need a cushion to
world.
sit on for my exam. Just for a backup plan, if I don't make it.
Looking at quadratic inequalities.
You feel me, guys?
Do we remember what an inequality is?
Hold on, let me just like find a pen that like all these little 10th graders like to take from me.
Loaded Jesus.
I have quadratical. and-
David, give me an example of an inequality.
What's it called? 9 less than x greater than 10.
There we go. Less than, greater than, less than or equal to, all these kind of things. So that's what we're looking at. What happens when we make them quadratic?
Quadratic.
Okay.
Quadratic.
I got 2 definitions to give you, and then we're gonna look at a nice, lovely picture.
What examples do we have?
I guess you'll find out.
Yeah, it looks like it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 4.
I do not think this will take very long.
Alright.
Alright.
Lock in.
Critical values.
Lock in for sure. Values.
So this is something we actually already know plenty about. We've done plenty with these. We're just giving them a kind of a fancy name in this context. All these are, they're the x values that make a quadratic equal to 0. So we've been doing this plenty. Anytime you have solved a quadratic in the past month, you have found critical values. And we'll need those to solve quadratic inequalities.
Guys, y'all better be studying.
Only other definition I have to give you, this is a tool used to solve these, a sign chart. All this is, it's a number line that contains your critical value.
Oh my gosh. I know, it looks terrible. She did it herself.
Guys, enough of the chat. All right, y'all write those down, and now we're going to look at a picture. I got to turn the projector on.
Why?
We're looking at a picture.
Have we ever done this?
We've never done this.
We'll be doing it more
This
from
professor's
now on. We're
making
getting into lots of graphs and the like.
The Gigi girl
Great.
singing. She was like,
Can you tell me to
She
do
was
a
like,
graph on the calculator?
Yeah, absolutely, yeah. That's coming up pretty soon. We'll do that in January.
It's bad.
I
It's really
know.
bad.
In fact, I'm glad she said
trying to
that.
go
If
to
you
the
have your
park.
calculators, please get them out now. You'll definitely want them today.
January sounds like.
Really?
My
Let me
first
pull my
time.
calculator. Oh, I got it.
Can I get one from the back?
You can, yes, though I will also say, remember, I gave y'all a warning like 2 weeks
I know,
ago.
it's like
If you
at
don't
my
have a
house.
model like this at this point,
I do.
it's gonna be rough.
Wait, is mine
I'm
okay?
getting mine for Christmas today.
Yes, please.
Wait, mine. I got it from my mom's yesterday. Guys, my mom ordered her off a fake website just like me. Fake website?
Wait,
Yeah.
she
So
got
I guess it
scammed?
runs in the family.
Wait, she got scammed?
Well, they didn't like take anything off her card.
Alright, is anybody still writing these
It's like
definitions
she-
down?
No.
Emma, are you still writing?
So she ordered them about a month ago and she hasn't gotten
Okay,
anything like email yet.
Plain. You left me hanging.
Yeah, my Nina ordered
You left me
something.
hanging.
Alright, children,
I was
children,
supposed to get a calculator.
enough chatter.
I didn't hear it.
BBC is not fake. Well, I don't freaking know something's wrong with her.
Ganley Brook. Okay, can we see this okay?
Yeah.
Alright, here's a quadratic. This is x squared minus x
Can you
minus
write that
2. You don't have to, I'm just gonna make a visual point here.
Okay, thank you.
Alright, the places where this is equal to 0, like if I gave you this equal to 0, and I said solve that equation, the numbers you would get are right here and right here. The points that lie dead on the x-axis, that's where the y coordinate is 0. We agree with that?
That girl.
Okay, Kenley. But we're looking at inequalities now, okay? So maybe, I don't know, if I did less than 0,
Hey.
then I want to know, okay, where on this graph are my y-coordinates negative? That's the idea. Or in other words,
I don't understand how people use that, like apps, like whatever.
I'll be happy
It
to
does
show
not
you.
work.
Guys,
No,
this is
so
really
wait,
It like does not work.
All right, let's focus. Yes, Emma.
So wait, those 2 dots are the Y. Wait, what are they?
These are the x values that have a y-coordinate of 0. Because think about it, Emma, did I go up or down any? I did not. So these have a y-coordinate of 0. Okay. All right, if I want less than 0, I want to know where this is negative, or in other words, where is this below the x-axis? Do we agree that would be this part?
Yes.
Okay,
We agree.
we agree. Now likewise, if I flip that around to greater than 0, I'd want to know where it's above the x-axis. That would be all of this part and all of this part. That marker's not great, but do we agree with that?
Yeah.
Okay. Now the point I'm getting at here, and this is why the method we will use works, right here at this critical value. This is one of the critical values. It's positive right here, and then it changes to negative, right?
Yep.
Okay. Likewise, right here, it's negative before, and then it changes to positive. Do we agree with that? Okay. So basically, the critical values are the points where it changes from positive to negative. That's what will allow us to solve these inequalities algebraically. That's why we care about the critical values.
Yes.
Okay, any questions on what I mean by above x-axis, below, anything
I
like
think that's
that?
kind of like.
Yeah.
I'm just making sure. It's all common sense to me, so you know. I gotta make sure.
Thank you, we're good.
Travis, what are you asking for Christmas?
That's a little off topic, but I'll answer that when we're done.
We can't do this right now, can we?
Yes, thank you, Brooke. We cannot do this right
Just to
now.
lock the.
But that's all we need the graph for. Now let's solve some stuff.
Let's go. Guys, are Chelsea meeting?
Not going over to Town.
I don't know. My mom's going.
I can't go.
I can't.
It's at
I
3:30
think
though, so
ours-
it's like,
Yeah.
should I just go
Okay.
home?
They literally went, yeah, your parents are out of town, bro. They're not coming.
I just want to
Chatter children, enough. Alright, we're going to solve that same quadratic we just had. It's greater than or equal to 0, and we'll graph the solution set.
X squared. I hate graphing. I'm actually not writing this down.
You just said you hate
I need to like look at it. Just like give me a second.
That's fun. Then that's a valid strategy, kid.
Yeah.
Just as long as please write something down
You're actually
eventually.
so cool for that. Your brain is actually like developed.
Oh.
Mine hasn't gotten there yet.
Oh,
So.
your reef is cute. Your reef.
Focus. Focus. Alright.
Dude,
The first step, I need to find the critical values. The way you do that is the same for any problem. You take your quadratic, you do need to make sure 0 is over here, just like with equations. We set it equal to 0, and we solve for x. That's what we've been doing for the past month. And similar to the word problems, like I'm not gonna spend 20 minutes.
Wait,
Doing the-
why'd you take away the little sign?
Why did I do that? Because the way you find critical values is just by setting it equal to 0. The symbol will be back. What? You can just do that, yeah. I'm interested in critical values, this is how I find them. Okay, so, yeah, similar to the word problems, I'm not gonna work out every single algebraic step. If you got questions about them, I'll be happy to answer. But
What are you trying to do?
I want to find x. So I got to choose from one of my methods. I can factor, I can solve by factoring, or I can use quadratic formula.
Yeah, factoring.
Yeah. Basically, y'all, if something is factorable, you want to do it that way because it's just faster. This one is factorable. If you go through all that process, you're all right. Factor. Then you get this guy, x minus 2 times x plus 1. And again, I skipped a lot of steps there. You're looking for things that multiply to -2, that add to -1, and you pull stuff out.
What factor did we on our exam?
Mm-hmm. I think you asked me that already.
Did I?
I think so.
Very early.
Yeah, you did.
Yes, yes. Alright guys, let me test your knowledge here and see if I can skip right in the line. I'll write it if I have to.
I miss my best friend.
Looking at this, like what x value would I need to plug in right here to get a 0?
I just don't understand how like all that right there equals 0.
Yes, Kenley, that's right. Do we all see why? 2 minus 2 gives 0. Okay, so that one gives x equals 2. Over here from this one,
Egg.
-1.
-1.
Dude, shush.
Alright, we found the critical values. Lovely, awesome. Now we use the sign chart. Our lovely, lovely sign chart.
Sign chart, sign chart.
Sorry, bro.
Use the sign chart.
Do make sure you put your values in order, like small to big. If you don't, it will get your answer wrong. Alright, now the reason why it's called a sign chart is because we care about the sign of the number. We care about, okay, is it positive or is it negative? That's the idea. Real quick, the obvious ones here, the actual values themselves. When we plug these dudes in, right here, what numbers did they give us?
You give a negative 1, 2.
0.
Oh, no,
They give us 0. Remember, Macy? We put 2 in right here. 2 minus 2 gives what?
2 minus 2
0.
0.
Same right here.
1 minus 1 is.
So I will fill in zeros above these just to remind myself, okay, I plug those in, I get 0.
Hot dog.
Alright, this is where the calculator is going to save you a lot of time. It's not impossible if you don't have a fancy one, but it does make it a lot faster.
Dude, look at Macy's. We're goated.
So we're gonna talk calculator steps, children. We're
Got the
gonna
new
talk
edition
calculator
book,
steps. Kenley, yours can do this. I just don't know how to do it on it.
Wait, the one that my brother read last year, does that work?
Yes, it does.
Is this one going?
That one's
The new
good.
Apple flip phone.
Mine's good for sure.
All right, guys. Here's what we're gonna do. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna pick a number that is smaller than -1, and I'm going to plug it in for x. Our calculator is gonna make that easy for us.
They can
So-
throw my calculator out.
With your calculators here, type -2.
Hold on.
I don't.
-2.
So again, Lane, that one is not gonna do this fancy stuff. You'd have to do this manually. Same, Macy. Obviously, that.
So
one's not
mine
gonna
does
do that.
negative calculator buttons never work. They're like
Mine does -2.
I know it does negative. Patience. Yeah.
It's
Lane,
crap.
Kenley,
It's
Macy,
crap.
what I'm about to say is not going to apply to you.
My calculator's not good.
Yeah, guys, what is
What
what?
is-
Like I do that.
Be quiet, or this will take till 9:30.
My daddy loves just like.
All right.
working.
Do we see the STO button right here?
Yes.
Yes.
We're gonna push that. Macy, be
We
quiet.
can put second first or just hit it.
Just hit it.
I pushed it.
I pushed
All
it.
right. That is short for store. Okay. Now what we're gonna push? There's this funny looking button right under mode. It's got an X, a T, a weird stop sign looking
Hit
thing.
that now.
Hit that.
I don't have to
Pushed
push it.
Like I said, this will not apply to your calculator.
So I said, what am I don't forget it.
I will explain what you can do in a second.
Okay, dude.
Okay. That's your variable button. That's your variable button. Now y'all hit enter.
We can get -2.
What that just did is you told the calculator every time we type X from now on, it's gonna read it as -2. So all I need to do now to plug this in is type in this expression. X squared minus X minus 2. Do that now.
So do we clear it or do we not?
Easy, basically.
It doesn't matter, it'll remember it as -2. You don't have to clear it.
What?
Now you just need to type in this expression.
Hold on.
Mom.
-2, stop. X10.
I got 4.
Enter. -2, okay.
Wait,
I'm on
wait.
-2a. Wait, I'm like.
You should get +4.
So can I just type in like?
Watch this. Ready? Ready?
Dude, it
Get a
is.
freaking watch.
You type in that expression. How did we get X before?
What are you doing?
What button do we do?
Stop.
Yep. You gotta raise it to the second power.
X
There you go.
squared.
She's doing it. She's doing it.
TCS. Hit me up on the phone.
You're getting it. Tyreek, you getting it?
I'm getting it too.
Wait, how do you do little these things?
You gotta type it on your calculator.
Yeah, okay. Alright, Kenley Lane, let me show you what's going on
And
here.
Macy.
Where's that?
And Maceru.
Yeah, there's a way
Where's
to
the
do
greater
this, I just
than
don't
and
know how.
the
I know
thing
if you Google it.
Okay.
What we're gonna do for now, I wanna replace all those x's there, Lane, this would be the same thing. You wanna replace all those x's with -2. So parentheses, -2, and I gotta square that. Now minus
That'd be so
-2,
Like apple cider.
then minus 2.
My sister needs like a drink for
I don't know how to- I don't know how to square on this calculator.
Cool. Okay.
What is on? It's fine.
Emma. My little soda pop.
Huh?
My little soda pop.
Carrot.
Wait, Kaylee, do you want to interview someone named Marlon?
And make sure you always put parentheses, guys, around the number you're plugging in.
He's with that girl Yana.
Yeah, I know. I see. It's so ugly.
Okay.
Where's the
I should.
Give you 4.
Do you?
Now just hit enter for it to evaluate.
I should.
How do you do
I got
that?
four.
Is it, where's he
You
from?
don't
What's his
exist.
accent?
I got 4.
It's like
Here it is.
it's like
Oh,
Like famous in her. She's like so just like normal. I love it.
Good, good.
But then he's like,
Macy, is there any other calculator you have other than this piece of junk?
It's at home.
Oh,
Please bring your stuff to class. Alright, I will show you with a better calculator in a second.
how you're not more back.
Wait, you might.
I think people were like stealing.
Wait,
Alright.
so like,
There used to be a
Back together as a group. Yes, Brooke has a question, yes. What do you wonder? It's probably a good question, please ask it.
Actually.
Oh, he was.
You're just like taking them.
Canley, please be quiet. Did we all get 4?
Yes.
yes, we did.
Okay, lovely.
Yes, we did. I'll watch.
I want to now record that information on the sign chart. That 4, let's just be clear about it. Is it positive or negative? Positive. So for this region, I'm just going to put a plus sign.
Positive. Oh, so this is new.
Okay, you do the same thing for each region on the sign chart. Now I go in the middle here, and I pick a number in between -1 and 2. Now what do y'all think? What's like the most convenient number to pick there?
1.
One.
Zero.
Decent. But what about 0 though?
Zero.
Oh.
0's so quick we can do this without a calculator. 0 squared is
Zero.
minus 0. What is that?
Zero.
0. Then 0 minus 2?
Negative.
-2. So here we get
G
A negative.
Apparently.
This is so weird.
It's okay. I'll go visit him.
Is his wife still alive?
Who?
alright,
G Daddy.
guys.
Yeah, G Daddy is.
Enough of the chat. I will talk till 9:30 if I have to. Alright, right here, I got to pick a number that fits this region. What might a good number be, y'all? 3, exactly. This you can use calculator for.
You'll just get 4.
David is the smart pants.
Now,
Smart.
you have to tell the calculator that x means 3 now.
Oh my
Alright, so you gotta do
gosh.
3 store x, hit enter, and then type in that expression again. Y'all have to type it in
Got
manually.
it. 4. That's what I do
I
now.
love.
X.
He never taught me how to do it. Like, you know, teach me
I gotta
how to-
find you a calculator, kid.
How do we do this?
Okay, wait. So you do 3 and then what else would you
3 squared.
Now you type in that
We use
expression
negative
Let
again.
me actually.
Wait.
do? With 3 at the
We
end.
use -2.
Yeah.
Elite Diddy Blood
Why don't we just-
I
calculator.
don't know how to do this.
Calculator.
So you're gonna put a plus sign?
You can.
So you're gonna
So-
put a plus sign.
For X, do I put
For sure. Kelly.
parentheses minus 2?
Basically,
You're
yours,
replacing the
yours
x
doesn't
with
have it.
That's why you got 3 squared,
My
right?
name's Zoe.
3 squared and
I don't even
then
know.
I freaking hate it.
Minus, what comes next?
That's probably the most stupid.
So
People
what are
say
you
X
replacing
when
that
like
with?
I in my head.
So
Emma
minus
was
3.
cracking up yesterday.
Yes, I know. I got told.
So then minus, wait,
That's why I said it.
is that everything?
Sorry.
and then minus 2.
Yeah, minus 2.
You can't laugh anymore.
No, because anytime I say something,
Uh,
he's like, oh my gosh, it's so
Exactly.
corny because he says it. So it's
So
just like,
there's gonna be a
And
plus.
what'd you get?
Emma, how dare
yes,
you?
you have. When I said
There's
that,
gonna be a one.
like word.
4, Brooke, what'd you get?
4. So
4,
you're gonna plus
Kenley, what'd you get?
sign.
I don't know how to do it.
Same as before. Every x you replace with a 3 this time, just like we did with the
That one
-2.
time, That one. Okay.
Oh
Tyreek,
my
you get
gosh,
it?
shut up, Emma.
One time it comes many times. Promise.
Okay, Macy, I'll find you a calculator when I get a
Okay.
chance.
It's okay.
Alright, so Taylor Brooks said it perfectly.
Chilling.
The 4 is positive, so I put a plus right here.
Wow.
Could you like totally just guess on this and get it right?
You can technically guess on anything. You can
This
get it
makes no sense.
right. I'd be happy to explain it to you again later, but
It's just like it's like.
So I can
it's
only-
Like, Kinley, you could literally just
I can only do
Guys,
this with a
guys.
calculator.
enough.
I can
You can
only-
do it by hand, yes, Macy, but it's just easy to make mistakes. All right. My answer to this is going to be the regions where I have positive signs. Okay? Greater than 0, that means positive.
Okay.
All right? We got a plus right here and a plus right here.
Uh-huh.
Okay? So I'm going to write my answer as an inequality.
Okay.
Oh my gosh. I
Our
like your
answer
gloves.
is x, everything bigger or smaller than minus 1.
Smaller.
Wait,
Small. Wait, say it larger.
bigger, big.
We have lots of disagreement. My plus sign, is it to the left or to the right?
It's to the right.
Left.
That's definitely to the left.
Now
over here, numbers, the
the
numbers over here.
Right.
Stop talking, please. Got -2, -3, -4, -5, right?
Mhm.
Those are all
Smaller.
smaller. All right, so my inequality is x is less than -1.
Okay.
But do I have a plus sign somewhere else?
Yes, all the way to the right.
Exactly. So I'm going to need it
Bigger.
or good old disjunction.
Just switch the signs and put +2.
I will have to involve yes. Now the region that's all positive here, is it bigger or
It's
smaller?
X greater.
Yes.
That's why I just said switch the signs.
Kenley's absolutely right.
Well, I
X
said it
is
first, so you're
greater.
No, you
there.
did not. I said it
Okay,
first.
at least I know my left and rights. So, go ahead.
Why are you being so?
Girl, I thought he meant something else, so shut up.
I remember Andrea. She was about to put L
Alright,
in
guys,
R on
guys,
her
we
hands.
do not need to go on a tangent every 30 seconds. Make this point now because it's easy to miss.
Let me get
If I
tattooed.
had greater than or equal to right here, I'd be allowed to be 0,
Silence.
and these would have the or equal to signs.
Okay.
I'm just gonna point that out now. Alright, that's my answer, that's my solution. I just need to graph it now. This you've done in the past.
What does solution set mean? Is that a dumb question?
Solution set just means all of the numbers that
Could
make
be
that
that
true. For us, that's anything smaller than -1 or anything bigger than 2.
Oh, okay.
This is just graphing the inequalities. Open circle, going to the left for -1, open circle, bigger than 2 here.
Yes.
No, he's not.
Oh, well, he's not.
He can't leave work.
Is that all?
That'll do it.
Okay.
That only took 20 minutes.
Gee, I wonder why.
Probably because we were going on like 80 tangents.
Okay, that's the general method though. This is what you do.
And now
Every
it just
time.
gets more difficult from here.
Not really. Not really. This one's not a crazy one.
Oh my gosh!
Are we still writing? No? Okay.
Erase it.
Let's look at another.
Well, when you're a smarty, things don't get harder, they just look easier.
I promise the method does not change here.
Method. It's the
License, insurance.
It's like I'm allergic.
Alright, the directions for this one are the same. Our solution will just look a little different.
It's secret.
This is actually example 2.
Because they did like
Whatever.
Are they always gonna be disjunctions?
That's why this summer I was
They
like,
are not.
Okay.
Whatever.
Oh my gosh. Wait.
Looks good.
Yeah, girl.
Alright, well y'all write that. What do I want that? What do I want on the right hand side here? May, C, and Taylor Brook. Enough. I will spread you out across the class if I have to.
Oh my gosh.
What number do I want right here?
You want.
Wait, where?
Just trying to be generous.
On the right hand side here.
0.
0.
I was right, I just didn't say it out loud.
With quadratics, you want 0 on the right hand side. That's the general rule of thumb. That's how you solve them.
Rule of thumb.
So, first thing to do then is to move this stuff over here.
Oh my.
You can do that by subtracting 1 and adding 5x.
There's nothing left.
Really?
Do make sure you put your biggest exponents first. 2x squared first, then plus 5x, excuse me, then minus 3. Fine. Do we all agree with that step?
I agree.
Cool. All right. Now it's very similar to before. All right. This one is factorable, so we will use that. This one will give you x plus 3 times 2x minus 1.
So basically, you're just gonna use the same steps as we did last time.
We're going to use the same steps as before. Our answer will just look different here.
So basically, x equals 3, and then x equals.
Wait.
Really close, Brooke?
Oh, x minus.
Exactly. X would be negative 3 from this one. Do we agree this one's a little harder to do in your head?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's fine. Just write stuff down.
Wait, so what are we trying to get?
We're trying to get the critical values.
No, like,
The critical
like
values.
for the last one, like x equaled -1. Like, what are you trying to? Are you trying to find a number that multiplies 3?
Like, how did I go from this line to this line? Or, like, where am I going from here?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. I want to know what number do I plug in for x that gives me 0. Oh. Negative 3 plus 3 gives 0. So that's one of my critical values.
We should have this.
This one, just write it out. It's a little harder to do in your head. You just do 2x minus 1 equals 0 and solve that equation.
The negative 1 and then 0 pair together.
Yeah, right.
What about negative 1 and 0?
So they like don't in each other, so they don't add.
Oh, yeah. You add 1 on both sides. How do I get rid of the 2?
Oh, divide maybe, I don't know.
Divide that sucker up.
That's
So x equals 1/2.
X equals 1/2.
How does that even make sense? I don't really
I don't
know.
know how we.
2 times 1/2 is 1.
Fine, we'll just keep it.
1 minus 1 is 0. So I got my critical values.
Now we have to use this sign chart.
Gotta use the sign chart, absolutely.
And then we're gonna put -3 and 1/2 on the line.
Yes.
You're so
Now,
bad.
when you go to put anything in the calculator, but especially with negatives and fractions,
It'll be true.
what do you need to put around it?
Parentheses.
Parentheses. Otherwise, that calculator will do it
Yes,
wrong.
Parentheses.
A deci.
Okay.
What?
843.
So skip it. Come on, you
I
know
want
you don't
y'all to do the sign chart for this one. Like, pick numbers, plug them in. I'll check and see if you got them right. That'll give me some time to find Macy's calculator. After that, we got to pick up pace a little bit.
How are you gonna find her?
Your batteries are low. Recommend change of batteries.
I'm sure you have one in your book bag, probably like one of the big
Sure.
ones.
Test your calculator.
No, my sister has
Yeah.
my pink and white one.
Ready?
That's the one
Ready?
we used to have, but she has it now. She's like, can I have it? I was like, sure.
Really?
Because it used to be Miss Grooms's. Miss Groom's.
Just, where'd you get it from?
Up there.
You're up right
You're
there.
about to have her baby.
Guys, focus to you, man. I will leave you in the dirt. I don't want to do that.
So Miss.
Okay. I don't have a calculator, Macy. You got to bring your own.
We can find a what?
So did this.
Yes.
Don't go out of buddy.
We do the same thing as this problem right here.
Exactly. Yeah.
But
You
what
pick a
do you-
number smaller than -3, then one in between these two, then one bigger than half.
Does it
Wait, what's
really,
the
really,
problem?
really matter what number we pick?
It does not matter. It does not matter.
So like -1.
-1 though would fall in this
Can I
region.
do negative?
You want
I
something?
meant like
I didn't know you were
negative, yeah. Like,
-4.
Did
100%. Yeah.
Did you look at that plastic bag up there?
What?
For the calculator? Did you look?
I think those are a bag of ones that are dead.
So you do X.
Well, X and then
You're
I
like,
got one out of.
What's the other
Wait,
one?
plug
it into X plus 3.
You can plug it into this form. It's just easy to make a mistake in the calculator. I would plug it into this right here.
Is it like this?
Okay.
Yeah.
And then you just hit enter and then
Yep.
you like do.
Then you type all that in. Y'all too. Same deal as before.
Wait,
Do you see the
Mr.
2x squared plus 5x minus 3?
Yep.
You go and type that in, but instead of putting x, you do parentheses -4.
Wait, so I do.
I thought it was -3.
I got 9.
I have to hit the
I gotta pick a number in this region.
Oh, okay.
I have to hit the store though, right?
No, because I don't know how to do it on that calculator.
Oh my god, just like freaking shoot me in the freaking
I put this on the slide for a reason.
Wait.
Okay, good
So if I got 9, then the one right here.
Okay,
Exactly.
daddy, I'm gonna see you in dementia.
You are my
You did miss the 2x squared.
sunshine.
See, it's 2x squared. That's fine, you just type 2x squared.
We're in the middle of -3.5. 0. So
Okay, so what equation
0
am I typing?
star x.
2x squared plus 5x minus 3.
How do I square it? Oh, wait a minute. Wait, but how do I type an x?
So would it be a
You're going to replace the x with the number that you choose.
But like it looks like
What number am I choosing?
For this region, anything smaller than -3.
So like,
I know. My mom literally
That
asked
would,
me
that's
if I
bigger
wanted
than
to go.
-3.
Oh.
Yes.
-4 would be
-4.
like
I was
that.
like, okay, well I can't
So
go to the meeting,
parentheses,
so I don't know
-4,
what to do about
parentheses,
that.
and square that. Okay.
Who is gonna be a
square that, and then I go plus.
So you
Wait,
get
did you get -3?
Perfect.
And then
Hit
do I,
enter.
Is your mom pulling up?
plus,
So
plus
if you
5
put a
times
negative
-4,
in the
right?
middle of the graph, right? Like right
Did
here.
I also do x again?
Yeah, parentheses, -4.
Okay.
4. And then we go -3. And how do I do greater or equal than 0?
What did you do for half? Did you just do 1?
You don't have to put that part in, that's all you gotta put in. Hit enter,
Just 1.
it gives you none. That's positive, so you put a plus.
Put midterm on the laptop. So
Okay, like,
No, I had this on the supply list for a reason.
Mine's not mine.
I think I know what you did. Did you hit this button or
you know
this
how
button for the
stupid I
negative?
was yesterday to go
That
back
one?
to the kitchen
Okay.
until Kelly Abigail was here. You know how happy she would have been? She was sitting in the cafeteria the whole time. You didn't know that?
He's eating a hot pocket
Okay, yeah.
with Bonnie. Well, not
Get
yet.
your calculator. I don't know why that ain't working.
She would like gone crazy.
I know. She was like, no, on your mind. Macy. Macy. That
And you
song.
gotta pick
Well,
something
you're not
that
allowed to speak
is
about it.
Our tie-dye shirts.
smaller than -3.
Stacey, like,
-4.
What was wrong with us?
Negative
All
four,
the
so what is
like
that?
TikTok dances in like middle school, like every chance you got, every.
Oh.
I would beg Audrey to do it. I was like, I want to make TikTok.
And it would
Okay,
be
now
like
you
3
type
hours
2x squared plus 5x minus 3.
Like what if?
Like so freaking cringy. Like let's make it.
That should give you
No, me and Kelly were the worst.
No, I can't.
You can still do this lane, you just gotta do it by hand.
It's not that bad.
Did you get
Plus
plus positive plus?
Oh wow.
That is right, yeah.
Wait, do I have to do the same thing to the other side?
Exactly, Kenley. You go to the middle, you pick a number there.
Plus.
I'll fill it in a
So
second.
is it all the same number?
Here, you pick a number that's smaller than -3, so -4. Here, you're picking one that's in between -3 and a half.
0.
0 would be a really convenient one. And then right here, Kenley, you're picking a number that's what than 1/2.
Bigger.
Bigger, exactly.
So I got plus minus plus.
Correct. All right, for the sake of time, I am just gonna fill in the chart here.
The chart.
I'm hearing the right answer. We get plus, minus, plus.
Chart.
Yay!
Lovely, lovely, lovely.
Watch out.
All right, now I want to fill in what my answer should be, the region that is equal to 0 or smaller than it. Okay? In other words, I want to include these zeros. Remember, we got zeros right here. I want to include those, and I want to have everything here. That's where my negative sign is. This one's a conjunction. All right, so I have -3. Am I allowed to equal 0 on this one?
Yes.
Yes. So I'm going to have less than or equal to here. X in the middle. All right, 1/2. Does that give me a 0?
Yes.
It does. So I want to include that. So another less than or equal to that 1/2.
How did that make that noise?
Maybe because I like.
Okay? That's my solution set. All x values that are in between -3 and 1/2.
Beautiful.
To graph that,
I'm not gonna
Are they always going to be plus minus plus?
will they always be plus, minus, plus? It's a very common pattern with quadratics. Sometimes know that. I told this to Noah yesterday, like just don't just assume it will always be the same. Like,
It tastes like
do the work.
winter of 2024.
okay. For graphing this, I got or equal to, right? Is that an open circle or a closed circle?
Closed.
Closed. We get closed on both of these, and I connect them. Because I want all the numbers in
And then
between.
you circle that.
And you circle that sucker. Yes, indeed.
How many examples do we have?
Got a couple more to go here.
Oh my gosh.
You sure about that?
So many.
But if they're
We
like
have done
opposite-
2 problems. It's so easy to say that, Brooke, and then you get to one, you're like, he did not show us this. All right. People still writing? No one ever answers this question. Okay.
Oh, I didn't know if like she was just
All right. You can get all sorts of crazy numbers from doing stuff like this. Say I wanted to do x squared plus 2x minus 5
Get out of here.
bigger than or equal to 0.
Stop. How's it going? How you been?
My name's Christopher Dorsey. How have you been?
Right, this one's different because it's not factorable.
Been good.
What formula do I got to use then?
Louder, David.
Good girl.
Wow,
You're right,
why
David,
are
but I
you
want to
like
hear
that?
somebody else.
Quadratic.
Quadratic what?
Inequalities.
No.
Theorem.
No.
System.
What, Brooke?
Formula.
A quadratic formula. I'd have to use that here. And again, I won't spend time going through every single step, but plug it in the numbers
Oh
here.
my gosh.
Taylor Brooke.
He will talk to 9:30.
You plug in all your numbers, it looks like this. Your A is 1, your B is 2, your C is -5.
Where's the -4 coming from?
That's part of the quadratic formula.
Oh, that's right.
You number crunch all that down, you'll end up here, -2 plus minus the square root of 24, all over 2. Do you remember what we need to do to square roots of numbers?
Never mind.
If it's the square root of a negative, yes. Plus minus is already there.
You know. Rotten.
I gotta break it down with the factor tree.
6 or 8.
You can do 3 and 8.
2 square
all
root of
that-
6.
Wow, good job, Kimberly.
That is what you get, yes. We do want to do that. Give you -2
Well, I
plus
said that
minus 2 root
Really?
6 all over 2. Alright, y'all. The -2, this 2, and this 2.
Cancel it.
They in effect cancel because these guys are divisible by 2. So you get, what's -2 divided by 2?
-2 divided by 2.
Mm-hmm.
4.
Wait, what'd you ask?
What's
Positive
-2 divided by 2?
2. 0. -1.
-1, there you go.
It's pretty thick.
Positive 2 divided by 2
Positive 2 divided by 2, 1.
is just 1. That effectively vanishes. Multiplying by 1 doesn't change anything. So I just get root 6 here. I don't know why I boxed that. We're doing an inequality.
I think I have like dyslexia when it comes to like negative numbers. Just don't get it.
Look at
I'm
TikTok.
just gonna go go to school in New York.
Do we see how our critical values are a little grosser looking here?
Yeah.
Yeah. So on the sign chart,
They're not even equal to 0.
the two values I have specifically, remember this is why we have the plus minus. One of them is -1 minus square root of 6. The other one is same thing with a plus. Those are the two things that go on the sign chart. -1 minus square root of 6. -1 plus square root of 6. Functionally though, with a calculator, this is the same idea. You would store this as x and then type in the original function and then spit out your numbers. All right, what number do I fill in above these guys?
0. 8.
0. All right, now if you do the whole sign chart thing, you'll save some time. You get plus, minus, plus again.
Do we always?
I know it seems like we do, you don't always get it. If this was negative right here, Taylor Brook, you'd get negative, positive, negative.
So then, can't we just look at it and see?
Yeah, like, do we have to, like, go through the whole? Oh my gosh.
I just,
Oh my
like,
gosh.
technically, yes, if you are careful, I would not advise doing it that way. There are a couple special cases I can think of that will trip you up.
So it gets very dangerous.
He's gonna put this in the test. Just to trip us up.
It really stresses him out.
All right, y'all. Now we just gotta write our answer. The regions where it's bigger than or equal to 0.
Wait.
Why don't y'all try? Let's see if you can write the answer down.
It's equal to 0. So,
That means they can act.
so.
Bullies.
Say it
Go,
again.
try, give it a shot.
They're opposite.
Based on this sign chart,
They
how will I
separate.
write down my answer? You don't gotta say it to me in words. So try it on paper. If we don't know, please ask.
Huh?
Shut up.
Emma, you shut up.
Wow.
Can you check my mixture, please?
No.
My lips don't help.
Wait. How do you know if it's equal to, if it's just like a good sign?
Close, close. This one's not a conjunction though, because I got a plus over here, then a break, and then another plus.
I can't.
So, like, how do I, like, get started?
It'll look like this. You don't have an or shape.
Oh. Are they gonna be
Just
going?
put the ors in.
And then double check the signs. He will look like that, yes, Brooke, but you gotta write the inequality too.
X.
You have so much aura.
Negative
I
aura.
have simply no response to that.
I can't.
Do you like the 1, 2, 3 really some song?
1, 2.
But I know he does like cash.
He does like cash.
Graph is right, this is off.
Like,
This one's a disjunction, you
Brooke,
can't
I'm
write.
trying to think.
His big.
Okay, what about this one, girl?
No.
I can see it. Me too. I can see
Oh,
it.
you're so close.
Oh my
Oh, you're so close, you basically got it.
Like a baddie.
This is absolutely right, but are we allowed to be equal to 0?
Yes.
We are.
Or.
Brooke.
Or.
He's probably like,
Or.
Good, and you want that one here too.
I'm trying to be a chill guy.
Only other thing, x bigger than or equal to,
A baddie with an nerdy guy.
there you go. Good job, kid.
Last Friday.
Alright, good work, Taylor Brooke.
Oh my god.
Free
Cash.
for the road.
Let's look at her answer on the board.
Did you listen to Cash yesterday?
So what?
Cash.
Cash.
I don't know what that is.
Yes, you did.
Whatever. Pay
He's
attention.
lying.
Alright. I got 2 regions like this, alright? So I'm gonna have an or statement. That's how I know that.
Or.
Megan Thee Stallion.
Or.
Alright, this guy.
This is so much aura.
All these positive numbers. All these positive numbers. Is that going off to the left or to the right?
To the left.
To the left. So I want greater than or less than?
To the left, to the left.
Greater than.
Left, less than. Alright? Am I allowed to be equal to 0 in this one?
Yeah.
I am, because of this right here. So I want less than or equal to.
Got it.
Alright? What number is right here?
That's really confusing. Something with an I.
Nothing with an I. This is a real number. It is a real number.
All real numbers.
Negative 1 minus root 6.
It's quite literally negative
Ah.
1 minus root 6.
Root 6.
We write it like that because the square root of 6 is infinitely long.
Oh my god.
We don't want to round.
Crazy.
Alright, now if I follow along the sign chart, it's negative now, so I have a break. That's why I have an or. Now over here, it's just, alright, x is bigger than or equal to now. What number's right here?
-1 plus 6.
Negative 1 plus square root of 6, exactly.
Where are we going?
Okay. David, you see how that looks different from your answer? Okay. Now all you gotta do to graph it, you got these kind of goofy looking numbers on there, but it doesn't change the fundamental idea.
It's so cold.
You got solid dots, one going off to the left, one going off to the right.
Taylor Anderson. And Batty. She said I could have gave it.
Got.
One more example.
One more. I'll let you off with the word problem.
Oh my gosh, that's worse.
So I'll let you off with the word. Like, you don't have to do the word problem.
Oh.
Alright, you do gotta see the special cases though. You gotta see the special cases. Alright, anybody still writing?
Nope.
You've been recording for 46 minutes and 34 seconds.
I think my phone store that much like video.
I know.
You delete them
You
after
can't-
you send
Well, he
them
probably
out?
doesn't like take photos.
I have plenty of photos. I'm just a data hoarder. I got plenty of
A
storage.
what?
A data
Hoarder.
Hoarder. Hoarder.
It's okay, Mr. Davis.
Yeah.
Like, what do you take photos of? Cash.
Himself.
He screenshots.
On his dates.
Y'all focus.
Is Megan the Stallion in your camera roll?
She is
She's
not.
in mine.
Alright, we're gonna solve each of these here.
Example 4.
These gonna look very similar.
Stop each.
It's not A1 of parentheses. It's
What,
not
Macy?
A1 or parentheses.
A parentheses, like part A.
You found that so funny.
Do we see they're exactly the same, just with one difference?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. Mine just flipped.
What's in your cup?
Did he blood?
Water.
Water.
Oh my god, my Awala things.
That doesn't sound like
I had
that.
to use a Q-tip to clean it.
No, it gets so
The
good.
inside gets like dusty.
Yeah.
I've been
All right,
drinking
children.
out of that.
What's the
Wait,
first thing I need to do?
Equal it to 0.
Zero.
Equal it to 0, yes.
Zero.
How will we accomplish
So
that?
you're gonna
Leave your
minus
head,
the
please.
3, or plus the 3 actually.
Plus the 3,
To
exactly.
the other side so we can equal it to 0.
Brooke is absolutely right. Let's go ahead and do that on both of these.
To the left, to the left.
Shut up.
We get x squared plus x plus 3 less than 0. Over here, x squared plus x plus 3 less than 0.
Oh my gosh. I'm so sick of the break. How about you?
These are like your special cases, alright? Spoiler, there'll be, oh, do they, you know what, I don't care. There'll be no graphs for this one, no graphs.
Oh, so they're like you can't solve them.
One of them might be like that, yeah.
Will it tell us to graph it if we have to graph it?
I don't remember. I think you generally always graph. I'd have to double check the directions. Okay, but you proceed as before. You need critical values.
Okay.
This is not factorable. Quadratic formula time.
What?
Notice, alright, these guys right here on the left, are they exactly the same or are they different?
They are exactly the same.
You're exactly the same. So I only do this once.
Oh, nice.
Alright?
So they're both like you can't solve them both.
Not quite, because this part,
They're the same. You wrote it wrong.
my bad. Good call, Brooke, good call.
Same.
But yes, I only need to do this once. If I plug everything in, we'll get -1 plus minus square root 1 squared minus 4 times 1 times 3. All of them. 2 times 1.
Hopkins.
Is that your insurance company?
Really?
I said
It's a whole thing. I'll explain in a second.
I remember when you were like on the phone with them like last year and you're
Oh
like,
my
gosh.
I need my car.
Why? Let's focus
Charger.
right here, guys. Y'all tell me, what is 4 times 1 times 3?
12.
That is 12. What is 1 squared? 1. Okay, so underneath
it's
here,
12.
we're going to have 1 minus 12. Is that going to give me a positive number or a negative?
Negative.
That's going to give me a negative number. All right, so what's going to pop out in my answer here?
Negative 11.
Negative 11, yes, but then I got that under a square root, right?
Yeah.
What
So,
kind of-
like an eye.
Oh, yeah, this one will have eyes in it, yes.
Been waiting.
This one becomes this. You got a square root of a negative. So we get some eyes.
Oh my gosh.
And now you can't do anything else.
Close-ish. Let me just make sure this is clear.
Make sure it clicks in that
The
right.
eyes, all right, the complex imaginary numbers.
Yeah.
They're not real numbers, okay? Like if I draw a number
You said
line,
It was so like devastating.
0, negative 1, 1. There's nowhere on the number line, the regular number line, that you find odd, okay? So when you get these in your answer, all right, the answer is either no solution or all real numbers. So we have to figure out which is the case. Thankfully, there's a simple way to do that. When you get these, I'll say it like this. When you get eyes, plug in 0. That's the number we're going to use as our test point,
Test point.
as our critical value, I should say.
When you get
Plug.
When you get eyes,
I got it.
plug in 0. And we're going to see what happens.
I need someone like pull apart my limbs.
Why did I break it up like that?
Oh my gosh.
I remember.
I need room. That's
last year,
annoying.
I was sleeping
There.
and I cramp in my leg. I was like stuck.
All right, so everywhere I got x right here, we'll replace with zeros. 0 squared plus 0 plus 3 less than 0. What happens to these?
What David said.
Can't just copy everything David said. You won't be able to do that on the test.
I'm sorry.
What is 0 squared?
0. Plus 0 equals 0. Plus 3, 3. So
That's where I was going. Yeah, this whole thing is, this left hand side is just 3.
Okay. Sigma. I see.
So now it is solution.
I know you said it, David. Good work. But Tyreek, Brooke, yes, lovely. Is 3 less than 0? No,
So-
that's a bunch of nonsense. This one is no solution.
That's a bunch of sigma.
Now, likewise, over here, like we talked about, it's exactly the same. You would also get eyes for your critical values. So I plug in 0. What's this left side hand gonna be? 3. I get 3 again.
Get off.
Is 3 greater than 0?
Yeah.
Yes. The answer here then is all real numbers. You can write that out, or you can write your fancy R.
What was that? Did you hear that, Mr. Davis?
Yeah,
Maisie
yeah.
brought it.
Yeah,
You got it,
yeah.
Maisie.
Oh.
Guys, do we think I can make it?
Do not throw that across the room.
Hit this phone.
I got it.
Down.
All right, y'all, I'm gonna say one more thing, and then we're gonna stop.
Can I finish?
I'm taking up the word problem. You better be grateful.
He
All
loves
right.
us.
This is a false statement, right? That's why it's no solution.
Fall down.
This one is a what kind of statement?
Oh my gosh.
This is, love of God. This is a what kind of statement?
All
Amazing.
True.
What, Emma?
Your turn.
It's a true statement. That's why it's all real numbers. All right. That's enough of that. Now you get to practice.
So what do you want for Christmas?
What do I want for Christmas?
Yeah,